Shubor nakashlem jong unong san hima.
Katamasa jong kilay tali ki jait ben rio hakajala lani ka Tri Hills. Kabanlong arsngi lenter lasdang hakasngi pale hasusu tham auditorium hakba ummentri rangba kajala ukan rat sangma ula ai ka jingaro yakatrat arts and culture. Kabala tray klam shong that ban kantiu yakariti dostur bakerpang jong ki khasi jaintia bagi pat garo jong kajala Meghalaya. Kani kata masa kalong kumshibenta ka jing rakhi ka sngi ki riudom hakari India kapin iru e ka jinglong tenrai haka Mariang bat ka bayade ba ka Kolshor kata masa ka tmu banwan ra e ka jinglong kerpang jong ki lai tadi ki jait benrio jong ka jala ki khasi ki jaintia bat ki garu habakran ka ni ka sngi umentri rangba ula banjur e ka jinan kam ban kenmau ki tenrai bat penrung e ka ni ka jingmut haki samla bat ki pateng banwan karkum ka jingong jong u ki samla haka pateng bamenta ki im haka perthai ka bayade bha haka liang ka technology bat kila bandu no e jingtep manu kilong bat nang no kiwan haba pen ksan ni jingdon kam bantho e kot kisla u mentri rangba ula kedawru shaphang ka CM Research Fellowship Program hak bahadu san phongot kinong wat banya na ki benta ba pher jong gajala ki sha bai tingka na ka sarkar jala banwat banya e ki benta ba pher jong ka Kolshor bat banbu jing tho yaka ula banjuru ba katanat arts and culture ka de ban khampan de jingmut hakani ki jingwat banya ban penyar shushu balban penya so shushu ikba buon kinong wat banya u mentri rangba ula ongru ba ukwa ban i bandan kajing trailang hapdeng ki institute ba pher banla banra ikani kajing wat banya bat dia kani kajing tep shaka kerdan ka ba kham shalor an samru iki khusna ba paunam jong state literary award hakani kajing alang ka ba arsngi ka balong ban i tho iki nong no asnyang barat ba ka tho katar hakak tien khasi bat garu hakba an pen ko buram iki saungut kinong yo khusna
Matwe. Yes, once we leave
So all this is available at
966. Yes.
Everything.
The objective of this book was to promote these rare dances in a platform and occasion befitting of their cultural heritage, while to ensure the continuity to preserve their meaning and history. The faculty of Sankadev College have also documented each of these dances into a book, which is being released today. Ladies and gentlemen, may we have a round of applause for this culturally significant moment in literature. It was a year-long exercise of field visits and interviews, ultimately culminating into this publication, the first of its kind in our state. Thank you, ma'am. Next we have the book Uspor Nathway Pirkhat by Mr. Banjoblio Gregory Kharmagi. Sir? And last but not the least, we have the Khasi Old Testament by Mr. Watch. All right, sir. Thank you, sir. We could have a group picture with authors. May we have a round of applause for the authors, ladies and gentlemen. Now I request the dignitaries on the dais to come take their seats.
The Jan Jatiya Gaurav Divas, marking the Tri-Hills Ensemble Festival and this entire program that we are having to celebrate the tribes of our state and more importantly the culture of our society and of our people. I was listening to the speech of Bapol, and as always, he has connected all the aspects of history and culture and made it relevant for today's program. And he ended by speaking about his height. And I was telling him while he was sitting down that my late father, late P.S. Sangma, would definitely agree with what he had just said in his speech. But having said that, I am truly honored to be here today, to be part of the third edition of the Tri-Hills Ensemble, and would like to thank Bapol, under whose leadership this entire art and culture department and this entire festival has taken this shape. And every year we are seeing that this Tri-Ensemble Festival is improving, and so many different activities are taking place to celebrate the culture and the tradition of the people of our state. So I congratulate him as well as our Principal Secretary and the entire department that has made this particular program a success. Friends, culture is also our knowledge. Our traditions are our knowledge. And today, if you look at the world, there's so many things happening. And sometimes we don't realize that our forefathers had the wisdom and the knowledge that today's world sometimes cannot even imagine. Because they have seen it through years and centuries and decades and come up with certain practices for a particular reason. And this knowledge, this culture and tradition, that knowledge that we have, the tribal community that these knowledges that we have, are actually in some ways solutions to the current problems we face. Our traditional medicine that we have, the different practices in terms of preserving our environment, whether it is to have, our sacred groves in the forest, whether it is to have the natural bridges that we have. This is knowledge. This culture and tradition is knowledge. And we must ensure that we share this with the world. The world needs to know what the Khasis, the Panars, and the Garos, what traditions we have, and the knowledge that we have, the knowledge that our forefathers have had, and share it with the world. Culture is a means to connect with the rest of the world. Today, here, we have our representatives from Wales. We have Mr. Mitchell and his entire team. We never imagined that we would be able to connect, and as Bapol has beautifully put it, and how he has connected the entire history of the fact that at that time the Welsh had come and connected in terms of the language, the culture with us, and in spite of all the difficulties and hurdles we faced, that connection that was made because of the culture remains even today after centuries. And that is the power of culture. Just last week we had our Cherry Blossom program and festival. And there was a huge area that we had dedicated to the Japanese government and the embassy and all different individuals, artists, musicians, entrepreneurs, different people from Japan had come and they had connected with our people from Meghalaya. And this has been happening for the past 5 years now. And we are seeing this kind of activity where a lot of connection is being established, bonds are being established, and most importantly, the trust is being established between communities, between our state and our people and other nations. And I think this is the power that culture has. And therefore, I hope that we will be able to continue this. And I really thank the Welsh government as well as the embassy and our principal secretary and obviously our minister who have ensured that we continue this process of building this bond and building this trust on the basis of our culture. Culture is tourism. I'm so happy to see today that we have been able to really promote our tourism through involving and activating and engaging with the tourists through culture, to showcasing what Meghalaya has to differentiate us from the rest of the country and rest of the world. So the huge potential that we have in terms of allowing the rest of the world to see what Meghalaya is and to be able to become part of our culture, our traditions, which would then promote our tourism, is a great strength that culture has. And I'm really happy to feel our culture and not just see it. And therefore technology should be used more and more in these kind of museums. And from the government side, I assure you that we will give 100% support. And I would like to see these museums not just here, but in other parts of our state also. And as I said, from the government side, we would like to support this completely and improve the overall museums that we have. And I would want schools, colleges, I would want the education department to make it mandatory for students studying in certain classes or certain courses at certain levels, to make it mandatory for them to come and visit and learn about this, because this is being done, as I said, to remind our youngsters, especially in today's generation when we have so many things happening, so many distractions in life. I think it's important to ground ourselves, connect ourselves, as Bapal says, to our roots. And these museums are a very important part of that. These festivals are a very important part of that. I remember, and I'm sure all of you remember, that I had announced last year also that we are really keen to document our cultural aspect, our language, and the different historical facts about our people and our state. And that I was going to announce a research program. So I'm very happy to inform all of you that that has happened with the support of our Art and Culture Minister and our Principal Secretary. Today we have the CM's Research Fellowship Program, where close to 50 researchers from different parts of the state are being funded by the government of Meghalaya, by the Art and Culture Department, to research on different aspects of culture, document it, and keep it as a record, because we have seen that we are good at a lot of things, but if there's one thing we're not good at, is at documenting our information, keeping records. And in today's world, it is much easier than before because there is digital support, there's technology. So I do encourage that as we move forward, the Art and Culture Department should focus more on this research, make it even more wider and involve many more researchers. And I would like to see that we would have collaboration between different institutes to be able to take this research and this information to a much, much higher level. Time as a state government, we somehow have not been able to take this strength that we had, this power that we had, we're calling it soft power, but we have not been able to really take it forward in the way that it should have been. speakers before me have spoken about how we have tried to promote culture. And some of you who have maybe visited this program for the first time may feel that it's about organizing festivals. But it is far beyond that. It's much more bigger than what meets the eye. Culture is our identity. Our traditions defines who we are. It connects us to our history, to our people, to our past, and allows us to be able to distinguish ourselves in one way from the rest. And therefore, from the government's point of view, we have been very, very clear that we want our young generation especially to be proud of our culture, of what we are. I don't mean to negatively say anything about any, particular community, organization, or individuals. But sometimes we've seen that, we have people who talk about tribal culture and look at it in a very negative way. And it sometimes impacts our young generation. And sometimes they feel that they don't want to connect to who they are. My message to the youngsters is, we want you to feel proud of who you are. You should feel proud of the history that we have. And we want you to celebrate this. And we want you to always remind yourself about this culture as well as the history and what Bapal today has spoken. It reflects about how our culture and our people have been through great challenges and difficulties, and yet till date we have managed to maintain this identity of ours. And I would want to see that this moves forward and carries on. And that's why, whether it is the museum, I was so happy to see what Frederick has done today with the museum, his entire team in fact, and our team from St. Anthony's and others who are involved in really defining and making the Captain Williamson Sangma Museum, which really was not as engaging as we would have wanted it to be, but we are seeing it transform today.